Welcome to this lesson on beat and time signatures. Ta, 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 tay, ta, tay, ta, tay, ta, tay, taka tiki, taka tiki, taka tiki, taka tiki. What did we notice? Well, what has just been demonstrated was a whole note playing over 4 beats, alongside cases where the whole note was divided into smaller notes, half notes, quarter notes, eighth notes, and 16th notes, and how that affected the length of the sound each beat produced. A whole note that remains in its form produces a long sound over 4 beats. Ta. Where it is halved, it produces half notes called minims, each minim counting 2 beats. Where it is divided into quarters, we have quarter notes called crotchets, each crotchet counting 1 beat. Ta, 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 ta. Where it is divided into eighths, we get 8 notes called quavers, each quaver counting half a beat. Notice our beat getting shorter the smaller the note uh, is in value. And our whole note that gets divided into 16 equal parts uh, gives you 16th notes called semiquavers, each semiquaver counting a quarter beat. So again, the smaller the note, the shorter the beat, and vice versa. So how does this information apply to time signatures in music? We're going to look at some examples of time signatures to help us answer that question. In every time signature, the number at the top tells you how many beats you count in every measure, while the number at the bottom tells you what type of beat you will be counting in. Following this rule, a 4/4 time signature means we'll be counting 4 quarter note beats in every measure. What makes me say this? Well, the top number gives us the number of beats. So we'll be counting 4 beats in every measure. And the bottom number tells us the type of beat we'll be counting in. As we can see, the bottom number signals that our whole note is being divided into quarters, quarter notes called crotchets. So we can go ahead and find our beats for this time signature. So, counting 4 beats in every measure, we will close off each measure with a bar line, and at the end of it, or a double bar line. Next, we will look at 3/4 time. Similar to 4/4 time, the top number tells us the number of beats we'll be counting in every measure, and the bottom number, the type of beat. We know we are counting 3 beats for every measure, as the top number indicates. And what type of beat? It will be a quarter note beat or a crotchet beat, as the 4 indicates our whole note has been divided into 4 quarter notes called crotchets. So going ahead, we will take 3 of those beats, 3 quarter note beats, and in every measure, according to our time signature, we will have 3 crotchet beats. 4/4 time is known as common time. Will you be able to explain why that is also known as common time. My guess is that it's most commonly used time signature in music. Perhaps you can enlighten me further. To end of this lesson, we will look at 2/4 time signature. 2/4 tells you you'll be counting two quarter note beats in every measure. So I'll go ahead and just start that process off. Include all this and close off with a bar line to stay true to our time signature, ending off with a double bar line to signal the end of that section. So hopefully you have learned from this lesson about beats and time signatures, and I will end this lesson with a demonstration of each time signature, beginning with 4/4 time and ending on 2/4 time. Ta, 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 ta. Thank you for listening. Have a great day, Father. That's it for now. Take care. Bye bye.